Have you ever wondered if you will be able to walk normally again after knee replacement? If you just had a knee replacement, do you want to be able to get back to doing what you love to do, like go for a walk, playing with your grandkids, or even go dancing? I have seen this over and over again. I have patients coming to the clinic even if they don't live close by. I have people asking me online, coming from different countries as well, and they are all asking and looking for help. And I have been thinking, what can I do to help all of them? So I decided to create a course. I created a course based on the program that I have used with my patients in the clinic, that same program that has transformed thousands of people's lives. And you can do this in the comfort of your own home. In this course, I will teach you how to regain your knees flexibility and strength through exercises. I will teach you what to do and what to avoid, and I will teach you things that will help accelerate your healing. So if you want to get back to enjoying life and doing what you love to do, I would love to hear from you. Comment the word coach down below, and I will reach out to see if my course is a fit for you.